Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're going to talk about Mini Cooper transmission problem. If you have a transmission problem, you've been changing your transmission but you still have the same problem, and for some reason something wrong, the car doesn't shift right. So the problem, guys, is your TCM. TCM, it have to be replaced, and make sure don't replace it at the dealership. It's gonna be cost you a lot of money. It comes the same like this one here. This is TCM for the CVT from 2003 and to 2006, R50 with R53. So this way have to be done, guys. So my mom's car has the same issue with the transmission, been changing transmission before, changing the fluid, changing the speed sensor, everything and the transmission be done, and they still have the same problem. So the problem we have, because the car is not here, is in my country in Morocco, so I have to send them the TCM today to be fixed the issue. So the TCM is really cheap, guys. You can buy it from eBay from someone for $100, and you gotta fix your issue. If you have a problem with the TCM, easy. I have just to go on the steering way. Your steering is gonna need a need, and you have to just remove that plastic cover underneath and disconnect the negative sides of your battery. Then go and remove the TCM and replace it by another one. Start the car and drive the car. So the car got driving better, because the TCM, if doesn't losing communication, you gotta start have problem with your TCM, and the car doesn't gotta shift, and the hard shifting first gear, second gear. So the TCM is the issue. It's really easy to fix it. It costs only $100. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like that, you can see more tricks.